Around 3 to 5.
Okay.
And then, so of course, I was getting bigger na. Gusto manggod na ako na dungan mi tanan maligo as a family. I had this thing na I wanted to do everything with them.
Okay.
Maligo, magkaon, tanan, dapat sabay mi.
Okay.
And then my dad at the time, when I was a baby pag yun, like an infant, he would give me a bath.
Right.
Pero when I got older, syempre kay babae ko. So he left that to my mom na kay parang, you know, babae. And then, during that time, I couldn't understand why. Nganong dili man pwede dungan maligo. Nganong dili man ta pwede mo sabay. Gusto na ko, kita tulo ni mama, sabay ta. Dili man siya. So, he locked the door. And then, I was outside his door. I was banging on the door. I love to throw tantrums, labi na before. Right. So, I was banging on the door and I was shouting. I was threatening him na, in English, kay when I was little, English lang gud ko. Ingon ko na, ug dili nimo ni abrihan, pagtiguang nimo, bilin ti ka sa dalan nga, dili ti ka tagaan og pagkaon.
Okay.
And then, I was banging on the door so hard, and I was kicking it until nabuslot gud siya. Kay plastic ra bayaan mong purtahan, Kuya Chito, no? So, dali lang siya anuhon ba? Nabuslot gud ang sa ilalo. And then, I was crying on the floor kay dili man gihapon ko kalusot kay gamay lang man ang butas. So, moto. I was crying on the floor and then my mama was comforting me lang. She was saying na Dada might be busy, maong dili siya gusto nga sabay mo maligo. She was making up all these excuses. And then, paggawas sa akong papa sa CR, I was like throwing things at him. Kay sa kasuko na ko ba, anong dili pwede nga dungan ta. So I think he likes this story.